GSEA এন্টারপ্রেনিউর অর্গানাইজেশন বাংলাদেশের আয়োজনে দেশের বিভিন্ন বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের তরুণ উদ্যোক্তাদের হাজারো আইডিয়া নিয়ে শুরু হয়েছে 10ম GESA গ্লোবাল স্টুডেন্ট এন্টারপ্রেনিউর অ্যাওয়ার্ডস।
I can predict your risk of type 2 diabetes just from your voice recording.
What if in this salt we can grow food and we can do agriculture?
We are building this product in home, in locally for the global market.
কয়েক ধাপের কঠোর বাছাই প্রক্রিয়া শেষে হাজারো স্বপ্ন থেকে এখন টিকে আছে সেরা 15টি আইডিয়া। আজকের এই বিশেষ পর্বে 5 জন মেধাবী সেমিফাইনালিস্ট তাদের অসাধারণ বিজনেস আইডিয়া নিয়ে লড়বেন বিশ্বমঞ্চে যাওয়ার লক্ষ্যে। কার উদ্ভাবন জয় করবে বিচারকদের মন, কার হাত ধরে আসবে আগামীর পরিবর্তন। তরুণ উদ্যোক্তাদের উদ্ভাবনী আইডিয়া যাচাই করবেন আমাদের 3 জন সম্মানিত বিচারক, তানাজুল আয়মান, সোহানা রৌফ চৌধুরী এবং মুরসালিন আহমদ। আইএসপি সার্ভিস এজেন্টদের কাস্টমার সার্ভিস ও অপারেশন স্বয়ংক্রিয় করে এমন এআই ক্রুলন এআই নিয়ে আসছে রায়হান মিয়া।
Thank you, judges, for the opportunity. My name is Raihan Mia. I'm studying computer science and engineering at AIUB, and I'm the founder of Krulon AI. I come from a family who owns an ISP in Dhaka, Bangladesh. My parents started their business back in 2014 when I was just a teenager. As a kid growing up, I've always had a natural connection with technology. And basically, I was the tech guy in my family. As our family business was growing, we were facing a new problem: customer support. Customers are calling late at night for basic issues. Issues like, what's my Wi-Fi password? How do I pay my bills? And what's the customer portal address? And at that time, I had this idea in my mind, like AI could solve this. I pitched the idea to a client based out of the Tucson, Arizona, and they liked the idea so much. I went ahead and built an MVP in just 20 days, and I onboarded them. And they paid 12 months in advance. And we are talking about $5,000. That was the ultimate validation for me and my company. What is Krulon AI? Krulon AI is a platform that automates customer support. Our core product is AI voice agents that handles calls 24/7. And together with these 6 ISPs, we are powering now customer support for more than 30,000 internet subscribers worldwide. Monthly recurring revenue was $1,900 till last month, but from the next month, we're gonna hit about more than $3,000. We are primarily focusing US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom. And if we can penetrate about 10% of the market, we're talking about 700 customers. That is, around $7 million in annual revenue with the current growth rate. Our business model is very simple. We have a SaaS model. Basically have 2 packages. One is the $199 and another one is the $399. Our vision, well, in the short time, we want to reach to 10 to 15 customers by the end of this quarter, and we want to reach to $5,000 monthly recurring revenue, and we also want to expand into SMS, email, and other areas and other industry. Our long-term goal is to become the intelligence layer for the autonomous customer support and operations. Thank you, everyone. I'll take questions now.
মানে আপনি বেসিক্যালি যারা ইন্টারনেট প্রোভাইডার অনলি তাদেরকে এই সার্ভিসটা দিচ্ছেন?
রাইট, ফর নাও ইয়েস, অনলি ফর ইন্টারনেট, বাট অ্যাজ উই গ্রো আমাদের আরো কয়েকটা ইন্ডাস্ট্রি আছে যেটা আমরা পেনিট্রেট করব।
Could you please clarify your cost structure and how much money you're actually planning to raise to achieve your goals you have set for 2026?
Our cost right now is the AI inference cost. And also the telephony cost. So, after all the cost, we have about 70 to 80% of margin. 10 to 15 customers, I don't think we will need external funding, but if we're talking about, let's say, reaching to 700 customers, 10% of the market penetration, we'll definitely need funding.
With the money, what do you plan on doing? Like, how do you plan on reaching more customers?
I haven't really planned on how much money I'm looking for. If there's money into my business, definitely it's going to help my business. The money that we're going to invest is 50% is going to be on the platform development, another 50% is going to be on the sales, and also the inference cost and all of that.
So what is the ROI on that?
We have 80% margin right now.
Thank you, Mr. Raihan. I really like that you're focused on and you know exactly and very clearly what you want to do. Also, you found the gap in the market.
Thank you.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you. আমার নাম রায়হান মিয়া, আমার ভেঞ্চারের নাম ক্রুলন এআই। আমার বিজনেস পিচ যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে, আমাকে যদি ফাইনাল রাউন্ডে দেখতে চান, তাহলে ভোট দেন ইও বাংলাদেশ, ইটিভি এবং বঙ্গের ফেসবুক পেজে।
ব্লকচেইন ও এআই ভিত্তিক গ্লোবাল হেলথ নেটওয়ার্ক পেশেন্ট বায়ো নিয়ে আসছে মোহাম্মদ সাব্বির হোসেন।
Good evening, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sabbir Hussain, founder of Patient Bio and research computer science graduate from Daffodil International University. Do you know Visa, MasterCard and Swift network, how they actually work? That's my project in healthcare industry. So think about we are building blockchain and AI-based decentralized health data gateway where patient transfer their medical data to any healthcare provider and tamper-proof medical access. Patient truly own their medical record and transfer it any healthcare provider. That reduce cost, save time, and create a high-impact, valuable healthcare solution. Now talk about the problem. Still now, health system is scattered. Healthcare system don't talk each other. So patient have no control over their data. So the result are long waiting time, increased medical cost and everything. Now think about my solution is blockchain based solution where patient get the true owner of his medical data. We build decentralized system where patient truly own and control their medical data. They share data smartly with doctors, hospital, diagnostic center, and for international data sharing, all data will be analyzed by artificial intelligence. Another opportunity is patient anonymously transfer their medical data for research and commercial purpose. Now introducing our game-changing innovative platform, Patient Bio, that facilitates 6 dashboard, patient, doctors, pathologists, medical research lab, pharmaceutical company, and multiple dashboards are connected to facilitate to empower patient data, research, and secure transaction that never at all. Patient Bio earn from multiple stakeholder. Here you can see cost and unit economics on the screen. Also, we are in MVP and user validation stage, Vision 2034, where we develop everything within 10 years to unlock 7 billion revenue potentials and impact high enterprise solution. Now we are 6 members, student lead come from different background, international blockchain Olympiad and startup World Cup. We're asking for 1.6 million funding to develop and scale our product for future healthcare. Now I'm opening the floor for the question, dear judge and juries. Thank you.
The system that you're building, the app, is there any such app available in Bangladesh or elsewhere?
No. And not only in Bangladesh, this app are not exist in real world.
Who is your exactly target customer? Normal people can use the app or only these hospitals and diagnostic centers?
Actually, our main customers are different kind of healthcare stakeholder. That can be hospital, diagnostic center, medical research lab, pharmaceutical company, and many more.
So normal people cannot use?
And normal people cannot use it as a patient.
How you're making money from this app?
We make money from different stakeholders, all about patient, hospital, and different kind of healthcare providers, something like that, pharmaceutical company for anonymous data sharing.
So what makes your solution distinct from your existing alternatives?
Okay, think about that all existing solution who actually are my indirect competitor, they have stored data in their system. I facilitate all kind of stakeholders, only patient can hold their medical data. Okay, that's the unique point of my Patient Bio.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your presentation.
Thank you, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you. Good luck.
আমার নাম সাব্বির, আমার ভেঞ্চারের নাম পেশেন্ট বায়ো। আপনারা যদি ইও বাংলাদেশের গ্র্যান্ড ফাইনালে আমাকে দেখতে চান তাহলে ইও বাংলাদেশের ফেসবুক পেজ, ইটিভি অ্যান্ড বঙ্গর ফেসবুক পেজে ভোট করুন।
দুর্যোগ মোকাবেলায় বিশেষায়িত রোবোটিক্স এবং এআই সিস্টেম নাবিক ওশিয়ানিক্স নিয়ে আসছে ফারদিন খান।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fardin Khan. I'm from BRAC University, EEE department. I'm the founder and the CEO of Nabik Automations. Bangladesh is one of the biggest deltas in this world. Our economy and our transportation system runs on this water bodies and rivers all along. Have you ever noticed when the entire system is run by the rivers, we are transporting not just goods but ourselves through the rivers? Have we ever considered the disasters that comes with it? Did we ever? I guess not. The entire country is developing and the world is developing, the technologies that we have, the satellites, but this disaster management hasn't been upgraded yet. So this is where NABIC Oceanics comes in. You can already see that many humans' lives are being affected all along, even billions of losses through these disasters, not just flood, not just riverbank erosions, but also when the ships sink and the transportation, human lives are lost. It's a huge risk. Bangladesh spends 1,800 crore each year for this. So what is NABIC? NABIC is an ecosystem of drones, or you can call it robots, surveillance drones, and software-based systems that can prevent and predict disasters. What do we have for the solution? We actually predict the entire disaster system of the entire country with our softwares and with our algorithms. Then comes our disaster assessment methods that we use drones and surveillance vehicles to survey our water bodies, and even use drones to map the entire place or an entire city before the disaster can occur. Let me tell you a story of 2024 that we can help the flood affected areas with this robot. We saw that there was an opportunity to help Bangladesh come forward. This is one of our achievements, and then we started our company, started to form this. Thank you very much.
Oh, so the prototype isn't ready yet?
The MVP isn't ready yet, the prototype is ready.
It's already in plan, মানে আপনারা তো এখনো কোনোটা করে
No,
দেখাতে
we
পারেননি।
haven't done any missions yet.
তাহলে আপনারা কস্টিংটা কিভাবে করছেন? লাইক আপনারা যখন এরকম একটা প্রজেক্টে যাবেন, how much you are going to charge?
সাপোজ আমরা কোনো একটা ইভেন্ট করার সময় উই হ্যাভ আ প্ল্যান যে এই ইভেন্টের জন্য আমার এতজন মানুষ খাওয়ানো লাগবে, এটা ট্রান্সপোর্টেশন কস্ট আমার এতটুকু হবে। সো উইথ ক্যালকুলেটিং অল অফ দ্যাট ইন টোটাল, দেন আমাদের ওই প্রিভিয়াস যে টেন্ডারটা আছে ওইটার কস্টটা কতটুকু আসে ওই হিসেবে আমরা বের করে ফেলতে পারি যে হচ্ছে হলো আমাদের কতটুকু চার্জ করলে উই উইল বি প্রফিটেবল।
What is the cost to make of your product?
It depends between 20 lakhs to 40 lakhs.
Per unit?
Per unit, yes.
And your main target customer is the Ministry of Disaster and Management?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
হ্যালো, আমার নাম ফারদিন খান। আমি নাবিক ওশেনিক্স নামে একটা ভেঞ্চারের ফাউন্ডার। আপনারা যদি আমাকে GSEA এর ফাইনাল রাউন্ডে দেখতে চান, আমাকে ভোট করুন ইও বাংলাদেশ, বঙ্গ এবং ইটিভির ফেসবুক পেজে।
অন ডিমান্ড গাড়ি মেরামত বা মেকানিক খোঁজার অ্যাপ গিয়ার অন নিয়ে আসছে SM পারভেজ আহমেদ।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is SM Parvez Ahmed. I am a student of electrical department in BUET, and I am the founder and CTO of Gearon. Let's imagine a scenario. You are the judge of GSEA competition, and you are so hyped up that you will know a lot of different business ideas tomorrow. You slept, you woke up, and suddenly you find out that your car is not turning on. Your driver's shouting, "Ma'am, the car is not turning on." So it will be an embarrassing scenario. But situations like this don't occur regularly. But when they do, it's painful. And this is the solution me and my whole team is working for the past 6 months with Gearon. If you solve your car problems from a local store, like it creates a lot of time. And it has trust issues, like you don't know that the car fixer is verified or not, he's experienced or not, or he's experienced in that kind of problem that your car has. And also they charge a lot of money because you have no idea what kind of money it takes to fix this kind of issues. But when you use Gearon, when the mechanic comes to you, you can check if he is experienced and if he is verified with our Gearon team. You have no trust issue, and also it's fast, it's convenient, it's on your smartphone. Problem solving steps are too simple. You just, with a few steps, you can find out what kind of problem your car has. Like I said, the AI matching system, the AI system, it decodes what kind of problem your exact car model has and understands in which part the car has problems. Then it creates a signal to the nearby car mechanics with those exact expertise in those specific problems, so that you get the best mechanic for the particular problem your car has. So we have created an AI voice command system, how the mechanic talks with the app and the app understands what he is saying, what's the problem in the actual car, what parts need to be replaced, and how many times or what is the quantity of that replacement. In this way, we have full transparency. We have successfully launched our app on Google Play Store, and we will be soon launching our app on Apple App Store. Now we are planning to make money from 4 aspects. We can have the mechanics who are giving the service. They will pay us per every service a token of money. So we are earning from the mechanics. And the fleet owners, they are getting the service. For that, we will create a subscription system for the fleet owners. They will subscribe with a small amount of money. Also, we'll engage the garage owners so that the garages can showcase their garage. And also, we will create partnership with the spare importers. And I'm hopeful for the best. Thank you, everyone.
Are people using this app?
People are using it. Obviously.
What if somebody wants to buy a spare parts for cheaper? Then what are you going to do?
In our app, there is option. Do you want this part, or will you buy it from the local stores? Or if he is willing to buy a second-hand part, they can easily buy that part.
মানে আপনি এটা কিভাবে দেখছেন যে যারা ঠিকমতো মোবাইল ইউজ করতে পারছে না তারা তাদেরকে রেসপন্স করবে, আবার একটা প্রবলেম সলভের জন্য ভোটিং করবে? ইজ দ্যাট প্র্যাকটিক্যাল?
আমরা এটার জন্য যেটা তৈরি করেছি, আমরা এআই ভয়েস ইঞ্জিন তৈরি করেছি। যে ভয়েস ইঞ্জিনের মধ্যে সে কথা বলবে, আমাদের এআইটাই জিজ্ঞেস করবে যে কোন মডেলের বা কোন ব্র্যান্ডের পার্ট হলে ভালো হয়, তো তখন সে বলে দিবে, জাস্ট লাইক ইউ আর টকিং উইথ এ হিউম্যান।
Let's say I'm driving a car over 60 kilometers an hour and it shakes. ওয়ার্কশপে পাঠানোর আগে আপনি কিভাবে প্রবলেমটাকে ডায়াগনোজ করবেন উইথ এআই? যেমন
গাড়িটা কাঁপতেছে বা গাড়ি থেকে সাউন্ড আসতেছে, তো শুধু এটা লিখেই সার্চ দিবে। তো আমাদের এআইটাকে এটা বোঝা লাগবে কি কি কারণে হইতে পারে, ওইটাতে এক্সপার্ট কারা, ওই মেকানিকরা আসলো।
Thank you so much, Mr. Parvez. It's great to see the thorough research that you have done and see all the green ticks and see that you've tried to solve many problems. So we wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you. আমার নাম পারভেজ আহমেদ, আমি গিয়ারনের কো-ফাউন্ডার। যদি আমার স্পিচ আপনার ভালো লেগে থাকে এবং আমাকে ফাইনাল রাউন্ডে দেখতে চান, তাহলে অবশ্যই আমাকে ভোট করুন বঙ্গ, ইটিভি এবং ইও বাংলাদেশের ফেসবুক পেজে।
ফলের আঁশ থেকে বিকল্প চামড়া তৈরির চমকপ্রদ উদ্ভাবন রিনকো লেদার্স নিয়ে আসছে শ্যানন অ্যান্ড গোমেজ।
Good evening, judges. I am Shannon Gomez. I'm currently doing my undergrad at biotechnology and a minor in business at Brack University. And I am representing Rindco Leathers as the founder, a startup that envisions to turn your waste into resources. Currently, we see that around 22,000 cubic meters of toxic untreated waste are dumped into the river bodies at a daily basis. Why is that so? It is because the leather industry and the tanning processes associated with it causes around 60% of the water pollution. With that problem in mind, we present to you the solution BioLeather. BioLeather is a leather-like alternative made purely out of fruit peel fibers using microorganisms to collect the biopolymers that help us with the bonding and the adhesion. The problems that are solved through this process is, as with water pollution, we have fruit waste management as well as the export leather demand is met. Moving forward, our methodology is spread across 7 parts. We first collect our raw materials. We then take the algae species, we research into it. We also monitor dye producing capacities of the algae species. We then collect the biopolymer through precipitation and purification, as well as solvent extraction. Some of the indicators we look into are split across the SDG indicators of SDG 6, 8, 9, 12, 13, and 14. With a 60% reduced water requirement, we have the projection to create job opportunities. We look forward of using natural components and bioadhesives. We also have a reduced carbon footprint, as well as a reduced water pollution and conservation of the aquatic ecosystem. Our marketing strategy is spread across 4 parts. We first look into B2B pilot with selected export-oriented leather companies that make leather products and export them outside. We also look into offline B2C marketing with eco-friendly brands that make leather products. We also look into strategic partnerships with export houses and buying agents, as well as online promotion and marketing from our pages. With that, I'd like to end my presentation, and with that, I'd like to open the floor to any questions. Thank you.
So what stage of this are you at? Like,
We have identified a few algae species as well as bacterial species that can produce the biopolymer. So we have classified or categorized the specific strains we're going to work on, and we are trying to collect the biopolymer.
How much money do you need for these machineries?
One of the crucial things to grow an algae in a lab is a bioreactor. It's a small bioreactor, it's around 2 lakhs. If it is like a big one, it would be around 5 lakhs. The fruit fibers, we need to fine tune it into ultra fibers. So we need a very specific blender so that it blends into the micro sizes. So the blender can also cost around 1 lakhs to 2 lakhs.
Mango is a very seasonal product. So do you have any plans? Like, is it only dependent only on the mango peels or other fruit?
Mango and bananas are our target, so since banana is almost always available. After we are successful with this too, we would look forward into having jackfruit and pineapple into it as well.
great. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shanine. That was a great presentation. And thank you. It's great to see that, you're thinking of sustainability. We wish to see you in the finals. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you judges for the time. প্রিয় দর্শক, আমার নাম হচ্ছে শানেনেনি গমেজ এবং আমার ভেঞ্চারের নাম রাইন্ড কোলাদার্স। আমার স্পিচ যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে এবং আমাকে যদি ফাইনালে দেখতে চান, তাহলে ভোট করবেন ইও বাংলাদেশ, বঙ্গ এবং ইটিভির ফেসবুক পেজে। ধন্যবাদ।
কারা যাচ্ছে ফাইনাল রাউন্ডে দেখতে চোখ রাখুন ইও বাংলাদেশ, বঙ্গ এবং 21 টিভির ফেসবুক পেজে।